The following video explains the steps to entering diagnostics on the DD24 dish drawer. However, the basic steps are the same on all dish drawer models. Please refer to the service manual for more detailed instructions. With the dish drawer turned off, press and hold the lock and start pause button for approximately 6 seconds or until all the icons are displayed. If you are working on an integrated model, you will need to use the cycle selection lights. Fault codes and hardware output information will be displayed in the various light patterns here. Now press the Start Pause button for the last 2 fault codes. The current fault code displays first, then the previous, if there is one. Again, the fault codes will be displayed in the cycle selection lights in the same order. A complete guide to the fault codes and possible causes is found in the service summary located on the cabinet wall behind the bottom drawer. To clear the fault codes, press and hold the lock button twice if there are 2 codes. Once a fault code has been cleared, it is permanently removed from the memory and cannot be recovered. Next, press the power button to enter the hardware output mode. This mode will allow you to test various components of the dish drawer. A guide to the light patterns is found in the same service summary. Press the Start Pause button to scroll through the various components. BL and the rinse light, which stands for backlight, will be the first component displayed. Notice the bubbles, which indicates that this component is on. On previous models, a brush symbol served to indicate this. Pressing the lock button turns the components on and off. The next display is ER and the delicate light. This is the heating element relay. Press the lock button to energize. The bubbles should only be displayed for about 5 seconds, as the heater will automatically turn off. The heating element should only be tested with the presence of water in the drawer. LD and the delicate and rinse lights is next. This is the lid motors. Press lock to energize the motors. Lock again to de-energize. Next is a detergent diverter valve indicated on the top by the fast light. Press the lock button and listen for the solenoid. The fill valve with the fast and rinse lights are next. Press lock to open the water valve. Lock again to close. P1 and the fast and delicate lights is the pump motor in wash mode. This should only be turned on with the drawer closed and the lid motors activated. Remember, safety features are bypassed in diagnostics. P2 and the fast, delicate, and rinse lights is the pump motor in drain mode. Remove the rack, wash arm, and filter plate and press lock to watch the action of the rotor or to manually drain the drawer. Lock again turns it off. RD and the normal light is the rinse aid dispenser. Press lock and listen for the pulsating solenoid. Lock again to deactivate. DF and the normal and rinse lights is the drying fan. Press lock and place your hand beneath the front middle edge of the drawer to test for airflow. Lock again to turn off. LE and the normal and delicate lights is the LED light that shines through the rinse aid dispenser cap. This light will flicker in the DD605 and later models. C1, C2, and C3 with their corresponding lights all control water softener model components. Please refer to the water softener model service manual for more details. Next, the current temperature being read at the heater plate will be displayed. This reading is in degrees Celsius. The last display is the rail voltage to the controller. Press Start Pause again to return to the top of the list. While in hardware output mode, you can test the light pipe's functionality by opening and closing the drawer. The lock symbol should turn off when you open the drawer and on when it is closed. Press power again to exit diagnostics. To run a fast cycle, enter diagnostics again with the lock and start pause button. Once in diagnostics, press the power button twice until FC appears. Press the Start Pause button to choose the cycle and once more to start it. A quick 8-minute cycle will run in which 33 tests are conducted.